guys, today we're gonna play this guess what book. And I'm gonna ask Lucas if he can guess any of these. You ready? Yeah. Are you up for the challenge? First one. What makes milk? A cow. Alright, that's correct. It's a cow. What makes wool? A sheep, of course. Yep. Ah, I'm stuck. It's not eight. What? Wax. Of course it's a duck. A duck? Wax? Yep, it's a duck. What next? A goat? It's a horse. You got one wrong. Ah, I almost said a swear word. What has horns? It's a goat. Damn it! What lays eggs? A chicken. Yep, it's a chicken. What oinks? A pig. Is it? Yes, it is. It's a pig. What hangs? Hangs? A goose? It's a goose. Correct. What meows? A cat. A cat. Correct. What barks? A dog. Yep, it's a dog. These are so easy, actually. Guess what is orange? I don't know. The answer is the tractor. Wait, what? I thought we were only doing animals. We're doing farms. Guess what? On the farm. Oh. Guess what lives in the farm? Wait. The farm animals. Oh. Of course.
Okay.
Oh, that's the end. Let's try the elephant one. We are doing guess who at the zoo. Look, it's gonna answer something. Yay! Guess who growls.
An nhé, mẹ nói này, không được chạy ra ngoài nhé, bao giờ mẹ vào được con.
A bear. A bear.
Chị Hiển nhé.
What is tall?
Hiển lúc nào cũng được các em.
You know the answer, right? What? A giraffe. Yes, it's a giraffe. Who has horns? Who has horns? Is it a rhino? A rhino. It's a rhino. Wait, what? I thought it was a buffalo. Guess who's big? Big? I'm not sure. I don't know. It's an elephant. Damn it. Flippin'. Guess who chatters? Chatters? What does chatter mean? I don't know. Guess who chatters? I don't know. It's a monkey. Wait, what's a chatter? Guess who snaps? I can see a nose, so it has to be a crocodile. It is a crocodile. They like snap your hand off is what they meant. Oh. Guess who has spots? Spots? A cheetah? It's a cheetah. Guess who burrows? A panda? Mercats. What is a mercat? I've never heard of mercats. Yeah. That's weird. Guess who has stripes? A tiger? A zebra. Black stripe. Guess who roars? Of course a lion. Yes, a lion, correct. Roar. Guess who's fuzzy? 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 Who's fuzzy with me? I'll just say... I don't know. It's a koala. What's this fuzzy with me? Fluffy. Guess who lives in the zoo? Lives in the zoo? Everything. The zoo animals. Not everything. A human lives in the zoo. I was going to say this, but you didn't hear the full version. Every zoo animal. I'm sorry.
Nghe chưa?
You said it fast enough. Sorry.
Nghe chưa?
No. Well, that was fun, guys. I hope you enjoyed that other video where I did that one. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. And turn on the notifications. Okay. Bye, guys.